Hey everybody, I'm Bobby Deen and I'm here today with another great recipe for you that I think that you're gonna love. This is a lighter version of peanut butter banana pudding. And it's Paula Deen approved. This comes from my mom's magazine. It's pretty quick with the exception of some refrigerator time and it's very easy. So we'll get started by using a pack of Jell-O mix, bag included. Milk, and condensed milk, and this is a pretty it's a pretty neat product. It's a condensed milk made by Splenda, so no sugar. How about that? Yeah, no. I've reached that age. No added sugar. 35% fewer calories. So there you go. The condensed milk, and we'll mix all these together with a hand mixer. For a couple of minutes. And then we'll hand whisk in our peanut butter. So there's not really a whole lot to it, as you can see. And once we get this step complete, we'll put it in the fridge. I don't know, probably for a couple of hours. It's always a bear to get the condensed milk out of the can because there's always leftovers. Okay, we'll call that good. So we'll take a break while we mix. I'll let you see me start, but we won't hang around for this whole endeavor. We've mixed together our ingredients, our pudding and our milk and our condensed milk, and now I'm just gonna whisk in some peanut butter. And I'm already getting the feeling that this is gonna be real good. Real good. Yeah. So as soon as I get, don't you think? I mean, I like vanilla pudding. I like milk, and I like condensed milk, and I like peanut butter. And I like stuff that's cold. So yeah, this is coming together pretty quickly. I'll get this mixed together and into the refrigerator. Like I said, I'm gonna tell you for a couple of hours. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be in there, but a couple of hours to get it to thicken up some and become perfect. And then we'll come back and we'll assemble with some more ingredients that I know you're gonna really like because I like them.
Well,
Thanks, Teresa. We'll come back. Our lighter peanut butter banana pudding is just about to come together. I've got a trifle bowl. I've started to go ahead and make a layer of vanilla wafers in the bottom, which everybody loves. I know that I certainly do. And Teresa's cutting up some bananas for us, but it is so simple. That's ready. So we're gonna make some layers with vanilla wafers in the bottom of the trifle dish here. And I'm gonna do, I don't know, I want a pretty substantial amount, you know, because it's just this and then our other ingredients just layered on top. So I want to make this a pretty good, let's stack them maybe 3 high of vanilla wafers. And these are the mini vanilla wafers too. So that means you can use many more. That's what I say. Mm-hmm. This is going to be super, super tasty. Even my children might eat it. And they are picky, man. We were just talking about that a few minutes ago, man. Kids, I didn't know that they would be so picky. I thought they would just eat anything and everything, you know, just growing kids, eat everything. No, man. My people got opinions. That's the part that nobody warned me about. Like, yeah, they don't. No, I think is that like 6 bananas, 5 or 6 bananas? Looks good. It looks good. Never mind. You don't have to answer that.
It's not 6.
Good.
I already opened these.
It's perfect. It's perfect, Teresa. So there's our pudding mixture. And since we were questioning whether or not we got enough vanilla wafers in there.
Are you going to put some more?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, we're going to do it. We're going to do it.
I say use the rest of the box.
You think so,
Or
Teresa?
the top.
Teresa.
Bobby, the bird. I know you. If it were up to you, there'd be 3 cookies in there.
Don't, come on now. Don't leave me that way. You're right. I should have made a better layer on the bottom. That's okay.
Can I pour these bananas over that top?
Sure, go ahead.
Just because I got these extras.
Because you're ready for me to be finished and leave?
No, I just need, I have these and I want you to use them.
Thanks.
Here you go.
Beautiful. More bananas. These bananas looking good too, Teresa. Now to that, we're gonna add our whipped topping.
That is a sugar-free whipped topping too, or a white whipped topping.
Well, it's a good thing. Good thing that we went light. Oh boy, does that look good. My mama does a strawberry trifle too. Gosh, is it so beautiful. I love a trifle dish. You know, you can just see all the way through it and see all your ingredients in there. Just looks so nice. I've got another whipped topping here. I don't think I'm going to use it all, but I'm going to get into a little bit of it. Look how pretty that looks. And that looks nice. What do you think, Teresa?
I think you should put the rest of it on there.
Think so?
Well, we're not gonna. It's gonna get.
2 tubs.
Yeah. Once it sits, it'll settle too. It'll go in between those bananas.
Doesn't everything settle once it sits?
It's gonna go in those bananas. So good.
Oh, and you know what else we could do? Because we got more vanilla wafers left. More Nilla wafers left. So if we wanted to, we could. Insane. Bear with me. This is where we need a time lapse. So there you have it, lighter peanut butter banana pudding. That was so simple to put together. Some more Nilla wafers around the top and some beautiful mint, and that looks great. That looks really, really tasty. So if you would, please enjoy. See you next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.